This is Deepali Mule. Today we are going to discuss about building materials, class 4, subject science. Let us see, dear students, in this video we are going to learn about different types of building materials. Observe the picture of this row house. You can see or you can find many different types of materials are used to prepare this building. So what is meant by building materials? The building materials are any materials which are used for construction of building, which are used for construction of houses. That is called as building materials. Here you can see many different types of building materials I have shown you, and some material you can see that is the man-made materials, or we can say that artificial, or some are natural building materials. So let us see, there are two different types of building materials are there. First one, natural building materials, and second one, artificial building materials. So what is meant by natural building materials? So those building materials are available in nature by default. That materials we can call as natural building materials. And second, that is artificial building materials. Artificial building materials means man-made materials. These materials are prepared or made by human beings that are called as building material. That is artificial building materials. Now, let us see the different types of building materials. The materials which we get from nature directly are known as natural building materials, and the materials which we do not obtain from nature directly and need to do certain processes are known as artificial or man-made building materials. Here you can observe the picture of house. You observe the picture and identify which type of building materials here used. So the first important building materials used to construct this house, that is the wood. So wood is the natural building material. We can construct the house with the help of wood. Nowadays also, to prepare building, to prepare any construction, that wood is used to prepare any different types of things. At our house also, many different types of things are there. It is made up of wood. Different types of furnitures, different types of things, our doors, windows, it is also made up of wood. So wood is one of the important natural building materials. Now, next you can observe the picture of sand. So sand, it is one of the mixture of very small pieces of different rocks or minerals. Nowadays, we can construct the different types of building materials. If we want to create, if we want to build Pakka house, so at that time we are using one of the material, that is the sand. So sand is also one of the example of natural building material. Here you can see the next building material. You observe this house, you will find which type of building material here used. You can see here different types of stones are used. So stones, these are the examples of natural building materials. To prepare the house, that different types of people, they are using the stones. Many different types of kings and maharaja, they have prepared the different types of fort and building with the help of stones only. That Mehrang fort in Jodhpur, it is also prepared with the help of stones and different types of things like stone, wood and other things. Now the next you can observe the next house, so it is made up of glass. Instead of cement, mostly it is made up of glass. So glass is one of the building material. It is artificial building materials. Nowadays people are using to prepare house, to prepare building, to prepare hospital, lodge, everything. Because this glass, it is one of the hard material. So that glass, it is one of the hard material, and that sunlight will enter easily in the house. So that people are using this glass. Now the next important building material, that is steel. Here you can see I have shown you one example of building. So it is made up of steel. So to construct the building, that people they have used mostly the steel, as it is made up of iron, carbon and other elements. So steel is one of the most important building materials. So many engineers they are using nowadays steel to construct the building. And the next one, that is the concrete. So it is a relatively cheap material. Nowadays we can use this concrete. So concrete means what? It is a mixture of different types of things like water, sand, cement or lime. So people are using the concrete to prepare the building, to construct the building. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about people involved in construction work. Let us see one by one. The first we are going to discuss about an architect. The science and art of designing building is known as architecture. An architect is a person who designs buildings and prepare plans and give to a builder. So that is called as an architect. That architect the architect must consider how a structure will be used and by whom we have to prepare everything that architect is planning. If we have to prepare apartment, if we have to make apartment, any building, palace, hospital, museum, airport, that architect they are planning first, they are designing and afterwards they are giving all these details to the next person. Now, the next important person we are going to discuss, that is the civil engineer. So, civil engineering, it includes the design and construction of building, construction of roads, bridges and dams. So, civil engineer is one of the important person in building because that civil engineers plans and design everything. They are helping to all the people, those are working to construct that building. So civil engineers can be involved in all the stages of building from planning and construction and for maintenance purpose also. So civil engineer is one of the important person in building construction. Next we are going to discuss, that is the mason. So this is one of the important person in building construction. Actually that mason is working under the guidance of civil engineer. A mason is a person who is skilled at making things or building things with a stone. So that mason is one of the skilled person who can prepare a building nicely and properly. So that mason builds structure with brick, with the help of different blocks, with the help of cement, stones. So they are using the different types of materials and they are preparing, they are constructing the building. Nowadays we are using concrete. So concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, gravel, water. So that founder of the building, that is the mason. So next important person in our building construction, that is the carpenter, or we can call as a woodworker. Those people they are working with the help of wood. That person we can call as a carpenter. A carpenter is someone who builds and repairs the things made from the wood. We have used many different types of product nowadays. We are using furniture, utensils, some decorative things, that musical instrument. It is made up of wood only. So that woodworker, they are using that things and they are repairing that things and they are making all the things. Carpenter makes a part of a building. Many times we have also seen many doors and windows. It is made up of wood only. So that carpenter use many hand tools such as saws, hammers, pillars and the planes, and they are making the many different types of things. Here you can see the many different types of carpenter tools. So that carpenter or woodworker, they can use the many different types of tools and they are using all the tools to prepare a building. If they want to prepare anything, if they want to prepare furniture or anything, it is made up of wood. That person, they are using the different types of tools. Many different types of machines are also we are using to construct the building. That concrete machine is there, so that people are using that concrete machine to mix the different types of things like water, sand and different types of cement and all. So to mix that all the things. They are using concrete mixture, one of the machine. Again, they are using sometimes bulldozer also to make the road. Many times they are using crane also to construct the road, to construct apartment, to construct the building. If they want to make the road smooth, so they are using many different types of machines. So in this way that all the persons, they are working together and they are making building, they are making roads, they are making dams and bridges. Now we are going to discuss about procedure to make a brick. As you know that brick is one of the important building material. Everywhere you can see that for building construction that people are using the bricks. As brick, it is made up of clay or sometimes it is made up of concrete only. So here in this video, we are going to discuss procedure to make a brick with the help of clay. Let us see what are the different steps are there. The first step, that is the preparing clay. So preparation of clay. So this is the first method to prepare a brick. How to prepare the clay? You can observe this picture. You will get the idea. Just water we are adding to the soil or clay soil and we are making the clay. So water is added to the clay soil and that mixing is done to make the clay soil more smooth and uniform. So this is the first step. So the people, those are preparing the brick, so they are making the soil. They are making the clay with the help of soil. Here you can observe the picture of clay soil. So that people, they are using the red soil and they are adding water in that soil and they are preparing the clay for brick. So this is the first step. Now after preparation of clay, the next step is that molding. So hand molds are used to give shape to that brick. So nowadays that we are using the different types of machines to prepare the brick, to make the brick. So different types of machines are available to make the different types of brick. So this is the second most important step to prepare the brick. Here you can see that person is preparing the different types of brick with the help of that molds or with the help of this device. So this is the second step, give shape and size to the brick. Now third one, after preparation of that brick, there is a need to dry that all the bricks. So that after molding, that persons or the people, they are keeping all the bricks under the sun. Means with the help of that sunlight, with the help of heat of that sun, that all the bricks we can dry. So this is the one more important procedure, important steps to prepare a brick, to keep all the brick under the sun. That people, they are keeping all the bricks in open space and they are drying all the bricks. As many times also you have observed that people, they are preparing the brick, they are keeping all the bricks under the sun. And the last important step, that is the firing. So after dried brick, that persons, that people, they are firing the brick. It means that all the dried bricks, they are making more hardened with the help of fire. This firing is one of the important steps to prepare the brick. Here you can see the many different types of chambers and many different types of keys are also there. So that people, they are making that bricks more hard, more strong with the help of firing. So in this way, we learn the different types of steps, like the preparation of clay, second one giving shape or molding, next one drying, and the last one firing. Again we will meet in the next video. So thank you students and have a nice day. Bye all of you.